It's Brooke and Jeffrey in the morning, and according to the National Science Foundation, the average person has between 12,000 and 60,000 thoughts per day.
Whoa.
Wow.
That is a big difference.
It is.
Just an FYI.
So why is it so hard for Jose to come up with just one for this segment?
Uh-huh.
Science is looking into it.
Yeah.
Sorry, were you talking to me? I was thinking about something.
Oh, okay.
Thinking about it?
About something you're going to say now or just something
No, I
totally
was thinking
random?
about Fortnite.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay.
That pans out. But it is time for a brand new edition of What's on Your Mind, where we go around the room and find out what each member of the morning show has been thinking about lately. Starting with Brooke, what's been on your mind?
Guys, we have a problem in the office.
Uh-oh.
In the office?
Stop.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
A huge problem.
How?
Have you smelt the fridge in the break room?
Oh my gosh.
Here's the thing. We have been the only people in the office for almost a year now, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Nobody else has been here. That means that food in there has been sitting in there for a year.
Oh.
We have no one at the front desk.
Right.
We have no one running like any sort of like
Clean committee.
Yes, yes. And I don't know if that means that it lands on us, but right now, okay, for like a couple weeks, I was just burying it. I was opening the fridge and holding my breath before I opened it and then putting my lunch in there.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Right?
Now what?
Last Friday, I walked in, I could smell it closed.
That was the day I smelled it too.
Yeah.
And remember, we're wearing masks in the break
Yes.
room, and I could still
Yes.
smell it.
But
Oh,
here's my
wow.
question, is what do we
Oh.
do? Is it up to us?
Not
I
me.
don't touch it.
Not me.
It's
Not
not
touching
me.
it.
Not me
Nobody
either.
else is here.
Oh my gosh.
Someone has to do something.
Brooke,
Yeah.
You have to. You're
I'm
the
not
one who has
doing
smelly
it.
salads
No,
every day.
no.
You have to
You
do
do
it.
it.
No, why?
Please.
I do it. I'm not cleaning
Jeff,
it.
do you keep food
I'm
in
not
the
cleaning.
fridge?
I
No,
have
I don't keep
seniority.
anything in there.
Neither do I.
I mean, you're the only one that actually brings food now to work, Brooke, so you should be the person that
well,
uses
look
it.
what you did to yourself.
It's all your
Yeah.
food in there.
It is not my food. I eat my food. This food is so old.
Well,
It
I
is
mean, it does
true.
smell kind of similar to the stuff that Brooks
is
brings into this. She
Yeah.
brings like fish quinoa
Yeah.
salad every
And she
day.
has to heat it up
Yeah.
every time.
Oh
Like,
my god,
it's
I
a
make
cold
amazing
dish.
food, okay? Listen, I'm not doing it. Someone else has to do it.
So Brooke is just basically saying,
Okay, how
I
about this?
smelled up the fridge.
We draw straws.
Oh.
How
No.
about like nose goes?
I like I like those odds. I'll draw a straw.
Or maybe people could text in right now 78592 who should clean the office fridge.
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay, or we just get a new fridge.
Hey, I'm with that.
Okay,
Let's just buy a
okay,
new
rich
one.
boy. I know that that's what you guys did growing up in your house.
Yeah.
We
But
don't have an extra like
Yeah.
I don't know $5,000 lying
I
around.
in
know.
normal people's household, they actually have to clean it.
Let's just get a new one. I don't know. Jose, what's been on your mind?
Well, you guys know I've been trying to eat healthier, just stuff with like less sugar, right? And because of that, I get a lot of ads, stuff that I buy for Facebook ads for keto diet.
Yeah.
Because keto's like low sugar, right? Which works good for me. So the other day something showed up and it was impossible to resist on my Facebook
Oh
page.
no, what'd you buy?
Oh,
It
not
was
the
a
ads when you were good.
keto salted caramel cake. And I was
Whoa.
like, ooh, a cake that's low in sugar.
What's keto cake?
It's something.
don't
It's made
know.
with some kind of probably experimental ingredients that's like super low sugar, but it
just-
tastes normal, but it's no sugar, so my blood sugars aren't going crazy.
Okay, did you get it?
Okay, so well, yeah, all ads work
How
on
much
me.
was it?
Okay, here's what happened.
Oh,
So I
no.
click on it, and it's $50.
What?
And
For
I
a
was
cake?
like, hold on. Remember, I can't eat cake. So I'm like, look, for me, I can finally have a piece of cake. Okay, worth it. $50 is worth it, me eating cake again. So I buy it. And I'm
Okay.
flying through the checkout process, because everything's
Oh.
pre-autofill for me.
Yeah.
So I'm like, yeah, go to my apartment. Here's the credit card purchase. Right after I hit purchase.
No.
You know when the little dots are circling like
Yeah.
it's processing?
Uh-huh.
I go, wait, what was that total? And apparently, you have to order some special freezer-only overnight delivery special care fragile thing with
Yeah.
this cake.
Oh,
How much?
God.
The shipping alone was another $50
Oh,
for this special keto cake. So that means when I get this $100 keto cake,
Wait.
hasn't
You
come
haven't
yet?
got it yet?
No.
You spent $50 on shipping and a butler didn't bring it to your
I
door in the
just
next
got the
hour?
notification. It's on its way now. Because I ordered it last night, Brooke.
Oh my
so it just
God.
shipped, but here's the thing. I broke it down. It only has 8 slices in this cake For $100, each bite is gonna be like $1.50.
Yeah.
Of this cake. It's the
And
most
the
expensive
sad
cake.
part is it's going to be disgusting.
No, don't say that.
A sugar-free cake.
No,
Yeah.
it's $100.
Have
Please
low
let it be good.
expectations.
Tried
Please.
that keto bread at
No,
the grocery store?
I don't really try a lot of keto
It
stuff.
tastes like
no.
eating cardboard.
Oh no. Well,
Have
At
you
least you'll never
learned
eat
your
cake
lesson
again.
about buying stuff off of Facebook ads?
I just need to slow
terrible.
down and look at the shipping and
You
look
need
at.
to say no.
Oh, well, wish me luck.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Bring some
wow.
in, maybe you
No,
guys can
thank
try
you.
it.
No,
I like
It's
real
expensive.
cake.
We're good,
You
man.
better help me
No.
eat it.
Social media coordinator Alexis, tell us what's been on your mind.
So I feel rejected after something that happened to me the other day.
Okay.
What?
I was drinking with my roommate. We were having a few drinks, and then it hit dinner time, and we were like, let's keep this going. Let's go somewhere to get drinks. Okay, the place we found happened to be near Jose's apartment.
Okay.
So I text Jose if he wants to come meet us out.
Right, because you're like at an outdoor bar
Yeah, we're
situation.
outdoor place. You can't see many people, so like we might as well keep it in our bubble.
Yeah.
Like her and us.
Okay.
Okay, text him. 2 hours go by, no response.
Oh, no.
Again, me and Jose's communication.
Jose, her roommate may be really cute.
I was
could be.
asleep. I was literally
is.
dead asleep.
Yeah, no. So then 3 hours, nothing. I give him a FaceTime call, nothing.
Yeah.
4 hours go
You're
by.
looking really desperate at this point. You're still.
I really wanted to hang out with him.
You see him every day.
I know. And he can't drink either, so he'd just be sitting there.
I am more fun outside of work. But
There we go.
If Jose doesn't answer one text, he's not going to call you back.
After 4 hours, though, I did get a text.
yeah.
Then he woke up from his nap.
Yeah.
That's what I
Nap.
do.
And his tummy hurt, so he couldn't
Oh, his
come.
tummy
Yeah. My,
That's
This is
because
the-
he's been eating that keto cake.
Right. And this is the same conversation that we have with Jose every single
Yeah.
morning. Like he just woke up from his nap and his tummy
I was
hurts.
upset. Like, is it too much to ask for to just drink with Jose? I got
No.
nothing.
It was
Yeah.
a Friday
I just-
night. I have to take a nap before so I can stay up late.
I'm trying to keep you young, Jose. You gotta
Yeah.
come with me.
Yeah.
I got to go with her. 4 hours isn't a nap.
Right.
Well, I had a second sleep, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
A pre-sleep.
Okay.
But I wanted to bring it up now to, hold you to it that you will come with me someday.
Yeah, I'll come kick.
Okay.
I'll totally hit on
and
your
you
roommate.
will. Oh, okay, that's not what I'm asking.
Oh, I thought that's what you were asking.
Yeah. But if you're a girl on Tinder though with some
Yeah.
fake body
Oh, he'll
parts,
reply.
he'll be there in
Oh,
5 seconds.
He's not napping anymore.
I'll
Yeah.
take the nap with me.
Right.
Jeffrey, what's on your mind?
Well, my grandpa passed away a couple years ago.
Oh, yeah.
And when it happened, everybody in my family got something to remind us of him.
That's nice.
Like something
Okay.
that used to belong to him. And
Yeah.
for me, I got this old wool sweater that he used to wear all the
I
time.
love that.
Grandpa
I have one of my
sweater.
grandpa's old hats.
Yeah.
It makes me happy.
I actually wore it to one of the company parties a few years back, to
Oh, I
like the
kinda-
company holiday party, and
kinda
everybody
remember.
commented on it.
Oh, okay.
But I had it in my closet for a while, and somehow it got mixed up with my laundry.
Oh, no.
And I
wash
accidentally
it.
washed it.
No,
Oh,
did
no.
it shrink?
So now you have-
I pulled it out of the dryer. It was completely shrunken, like the
No.
size of a
Tiny.
doll's shirt.
Oh.
And it's been a few weeks. I don't know what to do with it because I feel ashamed every time I see it hanging in my
Yeah.
closet.
Guilt.
Part of me wants to like throw it away.
No, don't throw it away. Frame it. It's so little, you can put it in a frame.
Just like a little framed baby sweater on my wall.
Give it to a child. Give it to a child.
Or get a cute teddy bear that reminds you
Oh,
of Grandpa
that's
and put
pretty
it on the
cute.
teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was considering putting it on my dog,
Okay.
like a little
Oh,
dog
That's
sweater.
kind of cute.
You know,
No.
like a little dog wool sweater. No.
Aw,
But I don't,
like
yeah,
that.
I don't know exactly what I should do with my grandpa's weird shrunken sweater.
Give it to Alexis.
Oh,
Actually,
yeah.
I do
She
love
were-
small clothes. Yeah,
Like a little
I will
crop
take
top.
it.
Okay, well that's something I could do with it.
Kind of weird. It's a grandpa.
It's like a crop glove for her.
Yeah, I'll have to make a decision here soon. But
I think Grandpa would love a 20-something in a crop top.
you know what? There you go, Grandpa Herb. You're gonna have one of your dreams come true.